The year was 2015 when singer Romain Virgo teamed up with agent Sasco for the hit song Fade Away. But what was it that inspired the song? Romain joins us to share the backstory in our Fiwi Culture segment.
This is Romain Virgo, and I want you to listen out for the story behind Fade Away. Well, Fade Away, I got a rhythm, one time, around that time, from a friend of mine, Riff. At that time he was recording, I think Jack you're on the rhythm as well. I didn't finish my song in time for him to put out the rhythm, and the rhythm went out. So the melodies was already there that I was vibing from this rhythm, and I came up with the chorus for Fade Away, Dirty I Can Sweep It Broom. And I was there just singing over the chorus, to myself in the car, wherever I was driving, and listening to the rhythm. And I called Nico and I was telling him that, I'm listening to the song, but I feel like I wanted the song to be a collaboration. I said that the only two voices that I'm hearing, well, three at the time, I was saying it was gonna either be Buju Banton or Assassin, Sasco, and if not, then Busy. So we link up Sasco and told him that we have a song. He came by Nico. That was after we, created the rhythm for it with Nico and thing, and we were by the studio, we recorded the chorus, and we told him that we have this song and we want him to come and just listen to it if him like it and want it to be a part of a collab. And him say, yeah man, and him come through, pass through. The moment him hear the chorus, he must say, yo, me have a little vibe in my head right now, me I think up like, and he was just there humming, and the next thing we know him ground, because Sasco is a different kind of being whenever it comes down to, recording and lyrics. I knew that the song would become something powerful because this was now our first, me and Sasco, our first recording together. It grew on people, I would say, especially after we put out the music, we did a music video for it. The song over the years, performing it on different stage shows. And the beauty about, making collabs too, it is a next strategy that myself and Nico we use is not to just do a collab because, two big names that you think would work, but two voices that if one is not present, then the next one can still do the song and still promote the song. We believe it is a good strategy. And over time we watch it grow and grow and grow, and the more we go out there and sing and just perform this song, whether together or separately, we see the growth. Sound systems around the world were just reaching out. They wanted the dub plate, and it just became one big, powerful song over time. So it shows that if you believe in something from scratch, if you say that this is what you want, go for it. It might not go exactly how you wanted it. Maybe it could have turned out to be that, Busy was the person or Buju was the person that ended up on the track, but at least you go with the mindset that you had. If it's not this person, then it's this person. And yeah, it turned out to be one of the most beautiful songs now, most powerful songs in my catalog. And there is no bad mind antidote, they shall slowly fade away.
Should Jamaica remove the British monarchy as head of state, and why? Members of the public share their views in our Why Pree Vox Pop segment.
Why Pree?
Well, me not too for them politics business, so me not too whether we say yes or no, cause I don't know. For them things that really are concerned with, because we, as we call it, small fries to for them big things. So whether they want to, yes or no, we don't feel the pressure. We not gain nothing from it. You see me?
Absolutely. Get rid of the old and forge a new.
I don't see them, I don't know what nothing for we still, brother. So
In from the north, don't even make sense because we still there in a poverty. We have to try off our own. So it makes sense, brother. So that's a real thing, right? You know. But we just go and fight it off our own like we continually do, you know.
It don't matter now. So as far as it don't matter.
So you feel like they should keep it?
They should keep it. You can't keep it because independent, yes, I know it don't matter. So
you don't feel like the country would do a little bit better independent or?
you can't keep it. Can't keep it.
Are we though? Are we independent? So I don't think we know if we can even manage. So well, yeah.
So you feel like they should?
Yeah.
Oh, of course. Of course, because watching now, them say we independent from 1962. I mean, see, whisper we independent. I improving slavery, I call that. Yeah, my boy. So that's why you get me.
We speak about independence in Jamaica, right? But right now, I don't think so because I don't see the difference it makes. Because they say we are independent, but we're still dependent on other foreign countries to actually aid us in different ways. I think we're still under the British, well, we are partially still, but we are still a better country. So it doesn't make a difference if it move or not. They just need to stick under that regime and actually try to get it back to where it was before.
Are we able to fully function? And in certain scenarios where a neutral body is needed to determine certain outcome, I think sometimes it's beneficial because there's pros and cons to it. When it comes on to persons politicizing certain things, a neutral body is needed that can give a decision that is beneficial to both parties from an objective standpoint.
It's like, are we benefiting from them? So I would like more information on that before I can answer that question. Because sometimes when they look at things at the surface, some people will say, oh, we want to be independent and whatever, but do we have the resources to be independent, you know? So it all depends on how we are benefiting from them now.
Why Pree?
Sad to say, but that's it for this week's episode of a Pree Show. Naldo will be back next week. But until next time, it's your girl Raven saying, stay safe. Being a girl is not easy, okay? Walking in heels, where all of them is wearing flats.